The initial settings must be made before using the Communication Assistant Operator Console application. In the Settings window, select your desired display language from the drop-down list. Enter the International Call Access Code. Now enter the International Area Code. Select the Operator Console mode. Select the Use Softphone option. Select the Use Network option. Then click on Save to save the settings. The CA Operator Console user login window will be displayed. After saving the initial settings, now you can log into the Communication Assistant Operator Console application. Let's see the procedure for logging into the Communication Assistant Operator Console application. Enter your IP address of the PBX or the CA server you're connecting to after checking with your administrator. Enter your extension number in the extension number field. When logging in for the first time, click on Login without entering a password. The new password will be used for consequent login. Please provide the password, case sensitive, into the password field to log in to CA. Enter a new password in the new password field. Re-enter the new password in the Verify Password field. Click OK. The CA Operator Console main screen is displayed. After saving the initial settings, now you can log into the Communication Assistant Operator Console application. Let's see the procedure for logging into the Communication Assistant Operator Console application. Enter your IP address of the PBX or the CA server you're connecting to, after checking with your administrator. Select your extension number in the extension number field. Enter the password in the password field. Click on the Login button. The CA Operator Console main screen is displayed. The CA Operator Console facilitates effective call control features for basic call operations. To make a call using CA Operator Console, click the contact name in the contacts list. You can use the search and dial fields for a quick and easy way to make calls. Enter the required name in the search and dial field. Click the name that appears in the contact list. The call will be connected to the specified phone number. Let's see the procedure for answering an incoming call. In the CA Operator Console, an incoming call is indicated on the arriving call screen. Now click the Answer button in the incoming call window to answer the call. You can put a call on hold using the CA Operator Console application. While on a call, click the Hold button. The call is now on hold. The Call Parking feature enables you to park calls. When calls are parked, they are placed on hold and pulled into a common parking zone, which can then be retrieved by any extension user. To park a call automatically while on a call, click the Park Auto button. Click OK in the Call Parked window to park the call. The call is put on hold in the idle parking zone. You can also park the calls manually. To park a call manually while on a call, drag the call to an available parking number. Click OK in the Call Parked window to park the call. The call is now parked in the specified parking number. You can transfer a call using the CA Operator console. Let's see the procedure for transferring an answered call. Click the Transfer the Call button in the Call Control window. The active call is now placed on hold. Click the contact you want to transfer the call to. After the called extension answers the call, click the Transfer button. Now both calls are connected, and this completes the call transfer. The View and Modify option enables you to edit or update the contact information, such as name, phone number, contact list group, email, and so on. It also includes company details and display settings. Click on the contact in the CA main window. Click on the More button. Click the View and Modify this contact option in the pop-up menu. In the Contact window, the General tab displays the contact information. You can click on the Contact tab to add or edit the contact name, phone number, email, and so on. The Company tab enables you to add or edit the company details of the contact, such as company name, department, section, address, postal code, and fax. The pop-up tab allows you to upload the user image, ring file, add or edit the URL information, and so on. This section explains how to delete a contact. To delete a contact, click on the contact in the CA Operator console main window. Click on the More button. Click the Delete this contact option in the pop-up menu. Now click Yes to delete the contact. The selected contact is deleted. The CA version 3.0 supports multiple selection and deletion operations. Using the multiple selection operation, you can delete multiple contacts and copy multiple contacts. To select multiple contacts, initially select one contact. Then press the Control key and select further contacts. Click on the More button. In the pop-up menu, select Delete these contacts option. Click Yes to delete the contacts. Click Yes to delete the contacts. This section explains how to add a new contact. To add a new contact, click on the More button in the CA Operator console main window. Click the Add New Contact option in the pop-up menu. Now enter the contact details in the Contact window. Click OK to add the new contact. The Add Contact List from PBX Extension option enables you to add new contacts from PBX extensions. To add contact list from the PBX extension, click on the More button. Click the Add Contact List from the PBX extension option in the pop-up menu. The contact list from the PBX automatically gets added to the contact list in the CA main window. The CA Operator console enables you to save the contact list at the click of a button. To save the contacts list, click on the More button. Select the Save Contact List to option in the pop-up menu. Select the required file type from the drop-down menu. Enter the file name in the File Name field. Click on Save to save the file. Click OK. You can now see the details of every contact in the contact list. A Contact List Group option enables you to view and customize the contacts in CA Operator console. To view the contacts in Contact List Groups, click the Contact List Groups field. Select a contact list group from the drop-down. Now you can see the contacts that belong to the group you've selected. Click the Contact List Groups field. Select the Customize option from the Contact List Groups field. To add a new contact list group, click the New button in the Contact List Groups window. Enter the group name in the Contact List Groups pop-up window. Click OK to save the group name. This group name is now added to the contact list group. You can edit, delete, move up or down any group by clicking on Edit, Delete, Move Up and Move Down buttons. You can now click on the Close button after making the required changes. To add contacts to the sales group, click on the More button. Click the View and Modify this contact option in the pop-up menu. Click on the Contact tab in the Contact window. Now click on the Contact List Group drop-down menu. Select the Sales Group option. Click OK to add the contact in Sales Group. You can now see the contacts in Sales Group by selecting the Sales Group option in the Contact List Group field. You can listen to and manage voicemail messages using a graphical user interface. Voicemail message status is visible at the top of CA so that users can see their messages at a glance. Click the message waiting icon. Select Call Voicemail option from the drop-down menu. Enter your mailbox information. Enter the IP address in the IP address of VM field. Enter the mailbox number in Mailbox Number field. Enter the password in Password field. Click on Login. The Voicemail Assistant window is displayed. Here you can control playback of the selected message. You can call back. You can hear the selected message by double-clicking it. You can delete the selected message. And you can send an email. Click on the Play button to listen to the new voice message.
Call back immediately. This is John.
Click the Close button to close the Voicemail Assistant window. You can also record your voice message using Voicemail Assistant. Click on the message waiting icon. Select the Record My Voice Message option in the drop-down menu. Enter the password of your mailbox in the voicemail window. Click OK. Follow the voice prompts and select the desired option for recording your voicemail message.
the no answer greeting, press 1. To change the busy signal greeting, press 2. To change the after hours greeting, press 3. To change the caller ID greetings, press 4. To change the temporary greeting, press 5. Temporary greeting is not recorded. Record greeting at the tone. To end recording, press 1. To pause and restart recording, press 2. To review, press 1. To accept, press 2. To erase and try again, press 3. To add, press 4. To erase and exit, press star. Recording accepted. To change the no answer greeting, press 1. To change the busy signal greeting, press 2. To change the after hours greeting, press 3. To change the caller ID greetings, press 4.
Click on Hang Up button. It is also possible to view the list of callers who have left you voice messages. Click on the message waiting icon. Select the Display Message Waiting List option from the drop-down menu. In the message waiting window, you can see the list of messages left for you and delete them or call back the sender if required. The speed dial feature enables quick access to the most dialed numbers. You can assign speed dial numbers using specific 3-digit numbers from the list. To call a speed dial number, click the Dial tab. Select the speed dial option. Enter the name of a contact in the Search In field. Select the contact in the searched list. Click the Call button to make a call. The Copy and Call feature enables you to call a contact number stored in the computer's clipboard memory. To copy and call, select and copy a contact number from any desired location, for example, email, notepad, Word document, and so on. Close the email window. Now click the Dial tab. Click the Copy and Call option in the drop-down menu to call the number. The Search All feature enables you to search the contacts in the 20Operator console contact list. To search a contact, click the Dial tab. Now, select the Search All option in the drop-down menu. Now, select the Search All option in the drop-down menu. In the search window, enter the contact name or number in the search field. Click the Search button. Now you can select the search contact and make a call or send an email. The Conference feature allows you to configure a conference group call settings. To configure a conference group, click the Dial tab. Select Conference option in the drop-down menu. Click the Edit Conference Settings button to set the conference group settings. Enter the group name in the Name field. Enter the PIN for the group you're creating. Also specify whether others can join the conference after it is established by clicking Allow Join checkbox. Click the Add New Member button to add the member to the conference group call. You can add up to 8 members in a group. Enter the name in Name field. Enter the phone number in Number field. Click OK. You can drag and drop the contact to add into the conference group list. You can add up to 8 members in a group. Now click the Save button. Close the Conference Settings window. Select the conference group on the Conference window. Click on Start to start the conference. The initiator can place attendees on hold. The member put on hold will hear hold music. The initiator can place attendees on mute. The conference members cannot hear the member put on mute. You can also click the Disconnect button to remove the participant from the conference call. Click the End Conference button to end the conference group call. Click Yes to end the conference call. If you're not a member of the conference group, you can join the conference that is in progress. Click Join in the desired conference group that you want to join. The Call History menu provides information on all calls, whether they were missed, received, answered, or unanswered. Click the History tab. You can open the Call History screen from the History menu. Select the type of calls you want to view. The history of the selected call type will be displayed. In the History screen, you can select the type of calls to review. Select the type of calls and the history of the selected call type gets displayed. You can search call history by name or phone number. Select the desired category for search. Enter the part of the name or phone number in the Search In field. The matched items are displayed. You can refine the search result by entering additional characters in the search box. Select the desired contact. Click the Call button to make a call. The call will be connected. The Go To tab menu provides options for customizing CA and the function keys. Click the Go To tab. Select Option from the drop-down menu. Select Option from the drop-down menu. The Display option allows you to customize your language preference, select your minimize preference as to whether CA minimizes to the taskbar or your PC or the system tray, select whether or not a window pops when you receive an incoming call. See your contacts as icons versus a list of names. Select whether or not to combine your search and dial option. Enable your call control display mode to show icons only. Using Preferences option, you can set your preferences for a call transfer and incoming call distribution group's calls. Key Mappings provides information on keystrokes that can be used to manage calls instead of point and click. As its name indicates, the Sound option allows you to customize the sounds for different types of calls. The Voicemail option provides options for selecting the voicemail extension. The Dial Modification option enables you to modify the public telephone number automatically when you dial from other application or call using the contact list or history. The PBX System Alarm option enables you to send the PBX system alarm to a programmed email address. The Logon and Security option allows you to change your password. The CRM Integration option allows you to enable or disable the CRM integration as applicable. The About option provides notices and software version information. You can customize function keys using the Function Key option. You can set the function key window to display anywhere on your PC screen. Click the Go To tab. Select the Function Key option. Here you can access various PBX features by a click operation. You can drag the function key window to place it anywhere on the screen. You can also customize the list of buttons. To customize the list of buttons, click the Modify button. Select the function key from the drop-down. Enter the label in the label field and click OK. The button on the function window has been customized. Console users can monitor CO line status as well as change any Office colleague's extension settings, such as call forward, do not disturb, extension block, absent messages. Click the Go To tab. Select the Outside Line Group option. Select the outside line group number from the list. The CA provides presence management with its real-time visibility into the status of users on the system. Presence management provides instant user visibility, real-time status which reduces tracking downtime, helps in responding quickly to business demands. This selection explains two different operations. 1. View other users' present status, and 2. Change your own present status. Click on a user icon to view the user's present status and availability. That's how you check others' presence. Now to change your own presence status, click on the Presence Management Options drop-down. Select the desired presence status from the list. The Arriving Calls screen feature enables you to manage multiple calls simultaneously. It also shows the current status of the calls. You can enable the status of a call by clicking on it. You can access any group through the CA Operator console using the flexible paging feature. Let's see how paging is done. Click the Go To tab. Select the Function Key option. Click the Paging button on the function key. Select the group number you wish to access from the Select by Group Number drop-down list in the Group Page window. Click OK. You can now see that the paging is in progress on the left side of the screen. Members of the selected group number hear your voice from the speaker until you hang up. After sending your paging message, click on Hang Up to end the call. You can make conference calls using the CA Client application. To make a conference call while on a call, put the extension on a consultation hold by clicking the Conference button. Click the desired contact name to make a call. Now the called number is ringing. When the called extension answers your call, click the Conference button. Now you can start the conference call. The instant messaging or chat feature is an alternative way to communicate instead of using the phone or leaving a voicemail message. This is an effective way to communicate quickly. Simply select a contact with CA enabled to start the chat. Click on the Start Chat button. Now type in the message in the text area. Now you can send a message to the contact without interrupting the call. Click on Send. You can transfer a call to your extension's voicemail or other PBX user voicemail box. To transfer a call to your extension's voicemail, click the Transfer to VM button in the Call Control window. Enter the extension number. In this case, we will enter your extension number. Click OK. The call will be transferred to your voicemail box, and the recorded message will be saved in your voicemail box. Your message waiting indication will be blinking to notify you, and if you switch to the voicemail assistant, you can quickly and easily listen to the recorded message, forward it, or email it as a file. You can record your conversation, which will be sent to voicemail for playback later. To start recording your current conversation to your voicemail box, click the Record to VM button in the Call Control window. When you click the Record button, the icon will immediately change to a Stop Recording button. Click on Stop Recording to stop recording the conversation. The recorded conversation will be saved in your voicemail box. Your message waiting indication will be blinking to notify you, and if you switch to the voicemail assistant, you can quickly and easily listen to the recorded conversation, forward it, or email it as a file. When you're on a call and need to send digits, for example, to Automated Attendant, or to make a selection by pressing digits, you can click the Send DTMF button, which will pop up a dial pad, allowing you to press digits which are then sent to the called party. Click the Send DTMF button. A dial pad will appear where you can press the digits to send it to the called party. An extension user can only access features within the PBX. However, when performing external feature access, EFA, the extension user performs features outside of the PBX, such as using the transfer services of the telephone company or host PBX. When EFA is performed, the PBX sends a flash/recall signal to the telephone company or the host PBX. This feature is performed by pressing the EFA button. You can make calls directly from Microsoft Office Outlook using the CA Outlook toolbar. Enter the phone number in the dial field. Click the Enter key on the keyboard to make a call. You can answer incoming calls from CA Microsoft Outlook toolbar. To enable this option, click on Go To tab. Select Option from the drop-down menu. Select Option from the drop-down menu. Select the Enable option in the Incoming Call pop-up for Microsoft Outlook. Click OK. Click on the Answer option to answer the call. Now for an incoming call, the Outlook contact information of that caller will appear. You can write and send a memo to a contact. Click the Write Memo button, which will open a text box. Type the message you want to send. After typing the message, click on the Email button. A new email window will be displayed. The contact's registered email address will be input automatically. The memo text will be attached to the mail. Now you can send the email. With CRM integration, you can use applications like Outlook, ACT, and Goldmine. This integration pops up a graphical user interface window on screen that shows important contact details like company name, job title, important notes about the caller, and other details that are pulled out directly from the CRM. This information equips CA users to proactively handle issues and accurately respond to customer needs. Users can also dial directly from the CRM application, which minimizes the time it takes to look up numbers or even use the dial pad. You can forward your incoming calls to your voicemail. To set the forward to voicemail option for your extension, click the /DND link saying Not Assigned. Select the Forward to VM 500 option. The Forward to Voicemail option is set on your extension. Now, if anyone makes a call to your extension, the calls will be automatically forwarded to your voicemail box. You can set the Do Not Disturb feature. The Do Not Disturb feature allows you to prevent other parties from disturbing you when you are busy or in a meeting. Your extension will not receive intercom or external CO calls. To set the Do Not Disturb option for your extension, click the /DND link saying Not Assigned. Select the Do Not Disturb option. The Do Not Disturb feature is set for your extension. Now, if anyone makes a call to your extension, you will not hear the ringtone, and the caller will hear DND busy tone. An ICD group agent can control the status of the ICD group you belong to. To check the status of your extension, log into the ICD group feature. Click the Incoming Group, Logout, link on the main window of CA. Select the Log In option in the pop-up menu. Now you are logged in to the ICD Group feature. To check the status of your extension, click the Incoming Group Login link on the main window of CA. Select the More option in the pop-up menu. Now you can see the status of your extension on the ICD Group window. The Callback feature allows you to receive a callback notification when a called extension is available. Make a call to the desired extension. The Call Control window displays the busy status of the extension. To set the callback feature, click the Set Callback button when the called extension is busy. A callback notification window is displayed. Click on Answer the Call. Your call will be connected. When connecting the CA client to a CA server, the contact list will display tabs that contain the contacts of each connected PBX and user-customizable My List tabs. You can add a new My List tab, edit the name of the existing My List tab. To add another list tab, click the Settings icon. Click the New button to add a new tab. Enter the name for My List tab. Click OK. Click the Close button. The My Contacts tab will You can organize contacts list using My List feature. Right-click on the contact you want to register to My List. Click the Add to My List option in the pop-up menu. Select the My Contacts option in the sub-pop-up menu. The selected contact will be registered in the specified My List. The incremental search operation of 20Operator application enables you to search contacts easily. For example, as you start to enter letters, any contact with those letters will start to appear for the tab you're in. If you click another tab, the search will start again. Enter the desired name in the Search and Dial field. You can see the search results in the contact list. Now, click the other tabs to perform the incremental search operation. Click the other tabs to perform the incremental search operation. Thus, when you click another tab, the search will start again.